Namaskar and welcome to BSG News. I'm Priyadarshika Mary Bose and let's have a look at the headlines for today. 3 days virtual webinar on membership retention during COVID-19 pandemic organized by World Organization of Scout Movement. Virtual workshop on education forum organized by the World Scout Bureau, Asia Pacific region. National level webinar on Not a Fault was organized on 28 December by National Headquarters. Third pre-ALT GW course successfully completed on 21st December 2020 and pre-4th ALT course SW was started on 24th December 2020. Akash Ganga webinar on stargazing organized by Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Online first aid workshop organized by West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides. COVID awareness campaign organized by Prachi Rover Group and Binapani Ranger Team of Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Level crossing service organized by the members of East Central Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides. Rovers of Headquarters District Association of NF Railway participated in disaster management drill along with NDRF and other departments. Beginners course for unit leaders are organized by Kamrup District Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Assam State. Saplings were planted by the General Manager of NF Railway with Scouts and Guides. Members of BSG, Assam, Bihar, Eastern Railway, Southeastern Railway, Southern Railway, etc. are taking active part in Fit India movement. News in brief. Mr. Amar B. Chhetri, Deputy Director of Scouts Boys Program, represented Bharat Scouts and Guides in 3-day virtual webinar on membership retention during COVID-19 pandemic, organized by World Organization of Scout Movement. The Bharat Scouts and Guides are privileged to present its 10 minutes best practice on membership retention strategy during COVID-19 pandemic in the NSO through PowerPoint presentations during the closing ceremony of the forum on 17 December. Shri Amar Chhetri was included in the panel to present BSG and also took part in question and answer session. Many top leaders of World Scouting were present and appreciated the efforts of the organization. Shri Rajkumar Kaushik, Director Bharat Scouts and Guides, also joined the webinar in the closing ceremony as a special invitee. Mr. Aman B. Chhetri, Deputy Director of Scouts Boy Program, represented Bharat Scouts and Guides in 5-day virtual program on education forum organized by World Scout Bureau, Asia Pacific region. The Bharat Scouts and Guides are privileged to present its 10 minutes best practice on youth program and implementation of World Scout program in the NSO through video representation during the closing ceremony of the forum on 12 December, in which total World Scout leaders were presented and appreciated in the efforts of the organization. A virtual webinar on Not a Fault was organized by the National Headquarters of Bharat Scouts and Guides on 28 December 2020, where more than 54 young guides and rangers from 6 regions participated along with National Headquarters professional staffs and facilitators. The webinar was virtually inaugurated by Mr. Rajkumar Kaushik, Director of Bharat Scouts and Guides, in the glorious presence of Mrs. Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guides, Mr. Ballu Goswami, Assistant Director, Eastern Region, Mr. Alalendra Sharma, Assistant Director, Northeast Region, and Ms. Ruby Parvat, WACS Coordinator, National Headquarters, session on victim blaming. Your report and fund-based activities were organized by the participants by National Headquarters, professionals and facilitators. Vaishali District of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized awareness campaign on Fit India on 22nd December 2020 under the leadership of Mr. Rituraj Kumar, District Organizing Commissioner Scout, where more than 80 members participated and created social awareness for a healthier community. Third online pre-ALT course for Guidewing was successfully organized by National Headquarters from 15th to 21st December 2020. In the inauguration ceremony, Mrs. Manik Barsley, Chief Commissioner Guide, and Ms. Sitaben Patel, National Commissioner of Guides Adult Resources, were present. Mr. Rajkumar Kaushik, Director of Bharat Scouts and Guides, and Mrs. Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guides Program and Training, blessed the participants of the course. The course was conducted under the leadership of Ms. Shivangi Saxena, Assistant Director, Central Region, and other assistants of 6 staff members. Fourth online pre-ALT course for Scouts Wing started with 42 candidates from 8 states. The course is inaugurated in a short and solemn ceremony on 24th December 2020 by Honorable Chief Commissioner Scouts, Bharat Scouts and Guides Dr. H.P. Chetri in the presence of National Commissioner Scout Adult Resources Shri Shamal Kumar Biswas and Director Bharat Scouts and Guides Shri Rajkumar Kaushik and other national headquarters officials. Members of Naihati Group of Sialda District, Eastern Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides organized various Fit India initiatives, blog run, cycle rally and plastic tide turner initiative to motivate and encourage young people to inculcate yogic values. This program was organized on 22nd December 2020, where more than 20 members participated for a cause. UBS First Group of Hooghly District Association West Bengal Bharat Scouts and Guides organized an online first aid workshop for all the Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers and adult racers leaders on 20th December 2020. The excitement among the Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders are eye-catching and total 265 candidates participated in the workshop. Group level leaders Palavar was organized by Hospital Group of Asansol District of Eastern Region Bharat Scouts and Guides on 20th December 2020, in which 20 participants participated and discussed about various policies of betterment of scouting in their community and has also played fun-based activities. The main objective of the Palavar was to propose, plan and execute new ways of scouting in Asansol. On 19 December, a rally was organized by the North Guwahati Girls High School, Assam, under the guidance of Suchitra Goswami, Ranger Leader, to make public aware about the Fit India mission started by the Government of India. 15 numbers of guides along with other students of the school participated in the rally. They displayed different placards with slogan about the fitness mantras to keep ourselves fit during the regular exercise. Akash Ganga, a virtual stargazing webinar, was organized by Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guides in collaboration with Patani Samrat Planetarium on 17 December 2020. The webinar was inaugurated by Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner of Orissa. Dr. Shubhendu Patnaik, Deputy Director of PSP, gave very clear ideas about stars, constellations, Milky Way, galaxy. The members of Bharat Scouts and Guides Sikkim State practice different types of exercise and publish through social media to make people aware about the advantages of regular exercise to stay fit, healthy and also to be aware about the Fit India mission undertaken by the Government of India. Disaster Management Training Camp was started by a joint venture on 24th Ashoka Group under Jadavpur University and Bharat Scouts and Guides West Bengal. A total of 427 participants participated in the online training camp, which was held from 14 to 19 December 2020. The camp was inaugurated by Dr. Gopinath Bhandari, Associate Professor of Jadavpur University. In lieu of the disastrous COVID outbreak, COVID awareness campaign was organized by the Prachi Rover Group and Pinapani Ranger team of Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guides, in which rovers and rangers were turning out to be COVID warriors, preparing handmade masks and distributing them, demonstrating social distancing and sanitizing different places as preventive measures for COVID-19. And the Fit India program, Scouts and Guides of Southern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides MTU participated in cycle rally from TRM office MTU to Aras Reddy Railway Ground along with SRSA MTU on 19 December 2020. Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Halisahar Group organized virtual interpetrol competition from 12th to 13th December 2020 for Scouts, in which 40 Scouts participated. Various activities like inspection, pioneering, first aid, public speaking, mapping, general knowledge, general intelligence, campfire, patriotic song and musical hangama was organized. As per instruction of East Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides, organized level crossing service and creating awareness among the local people of Pandit Dayal Upadhyay, Samastipur, Garhara, Sonpur and Danapur, where the senior leaders were controlling the level crossing for the passengers to pass safely with the help of Railway Protection Force. On the inspirational call of Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, members of South Eastern Railway Adra district under the leadership of Mr. Bachchu Chatterjee are continuously taking part in Fit India initiatives with the mission of Fit India, Hit India. Initiating this initiative, they are also creating COVID awareness among the people of the community. On 18 December, 18 numbers of rovers of Headquarters District Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway participated in disaster management drill New Guwahati along with NDRF and NF Railway Art Department to practice the skills and earned by them through the scouting. On 19 December 2020, on a beginner scout for unit leaders were organized by Kamrup Rural District Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam, where about 53 participants were present. The session was taken by State Training Commissioner Ms. Arunima Devi, Mr. Ranajit Basu, and District Organizing Commissioner Ms. Mukta Das. The objective of the course was to motivate the trainers about scouting and guides to open new units. On 19 December 2020, a one-day camp for pioneering first aid was organized by Amrit Prabha Ranger team of Jawaharlal Nehru College, Kamrup, Assam. 20 numbers of bravers participated in the camp. On 19 December 2020, Shri Anshul Gupta, General Manager of Northeast Frontier Railway and patron of Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway, planted saplings at Administrative Office Garden and CNW Workshop at New Bongaigaon, where 20 numbers of rangers and rovers also presented there and also planted their tree saplings. Rangers and Guide of New Bongai South District Association NF Railway State organized an activity on 16 days of activism with title Not a Fault, an initiative to a gender-based violence. Session was held by Ms. Darshana Sharma, Advanced Range Leader, on Stop the Violence, Victim Blaming and other activities were completed as they follow education, support, speak up and take a pledge. Rangers and Guides also gained knowledge how You Report can help them and take the pledge saying no to victim blaming. Scouts and Guides of Kudalur District, Tamil Nadu rendered service in Puravi flood relief safety sanitary medicine spring on 17 December 2020 at Chidambaram, Kudalur under the leadership of K. Sarana Devendiran. Kerala Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted a webinar on the Scoutship Energizer for adult leaders on 15 December 2020 with unit leaders of Ideal International Institute of Education, Kadakesari, Kerala. Srimati Kumud Mehra, Assistant Director Southern Region, took session on responsibility of unit leaders. Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted second State Council meeting on 20th December 2020 in the presence of Chief Guest Shri Suresh Kumar, Karnataka State Education Minister, Shri Anant Nayak, Commissioner of Public Instruction, G. Channabasappa, Chairman of Public Committee, Srimati Geeta Nataraj, Vice President Bharat Scouts and Guides India, Shri M. A. Khalid, Additional Chief National Commissioner, Shri P. G. Ashingde, Secretary General, President in Council and State Chief Commissioner, Karnataka, Shri Sanmugappa, former State Chief Commissioner, Karnataka, and Vice President of Karnataka State, Shri Madhusudan Avala, Deputy International Commissioner, Scouts. Bharat Scouts and Guides, Tuticorin, District, Tamil Nadu, conducted pioneering course from 15 to 19 December 2020 and basic course for Rover Scout Leader from 14th to 20th December 2020. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Tiruvannamalai District, Tamil Nadu started a new Rover Ranger crew and team at Annamalai Matriculation School on 21st December 2020. Shri V. Chinna Veerabhadraddu, State Chief Commissioner of Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides, inaugurated the Kala Utsav competition in Kuchipudi dance. Scouts and Guides from Krishna and Guntur district participated. Kumaram Bhim Rover crew of Sikandara district, Telangana state distributed blankets to poor people who were in the roadside. Investiture ceremony of Maharana Scout and Maitri Guide Delhi State Bharat Scouts and Guides was held on 20th December 2020. Online OYMS training was arranged on 17th and 22nd December 2020 for officials of Northern Railway, Northeast Railway, Delhi, Haryana, Jamaat Youth Club. On 21st December 2020 of Kasturba Gandhi Residential Girls School in Varanasi district, the unit in charge conducted the beginners course BRC Kashi Vidyapeeth Varanasi, in which 18 participants participated. OYMS online meeting of Devi Pathan, Kanpur, Agra, Aligarh Circle was organized on 22nd and 23rd December 2020, in which the district secretaries, district organizing commissioners, district training commissioners, IT coordinators participated. Territorial Regional Headquarters Commissioner Scout Guide and Assistant Territorial Organization Commissioner IT from Headquarters provided a technical input. National Level Adventure Camp was held at Manali, Himachal Pradesh from 15 to 19 December 2020, in which 101 participants from 9 state associations participated. Activities like zipline crossing, valley crossing, trekking, expedition and obstacles crossing were organized under the leadership of Mr. Siddharth Mohanty, Assistant Director, with the assistance of Ms. Bikash Sheikh and Mr. Dhanraj Saini. The upcoming events of Bharat Scouts and Guides. Firstly, we have the National Headquarters of Bharat Scouts and Guides organizing a national level webinar known as Not Her Fault on 29 December 2020 for the Scouts, Guides, Rangers and Rovers. To commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of national hero Swami Vivekananda, Headquarters is organizing a week-long national level celebration for Scouts, Guides, Rangers and Rovers known as Yuvana. We are the next generation leaders from 5th to 11th January 2021. At 7 days Yuvana Talent Hub, which includes Yuva Canvas, Yuva Fitbit, Yuva Art of Green, Yuva Kalakar, Yuva in Action, Yuva TED Talk and Yuva Expression. National level digital participation certificate will be given to one who completes the activity and submits detailed activity report as per deadline. For more details, you can refer National Headquarters Circular number 165 dated 21st December 2020. National Youth Adventure Institute is organizing National Adventure Program at Darjeeling in 3 phases. First phase is from 5th to 9th April 2021. Second phase from 12th to 16th April 2021. And third phase from 19th to 23rd April 2021. It is compulsory for the participants to submit their COVID-19 test report and confirmation letter at the time of registration. For more information, participants can refer NYAA Circular number 06 dated 24 December 2020. Join the You Report India platform today. Save the number +919650414141 and type PSG. Use the referral code 2705545. Fill in your details as required and be a You Reporter today. Plan fun and exciting games and win prizes by making as much as You points you can. That's all for today's news. Thank you for watching BSG News. We'll be back next week, Sunday, 5 p.m. Thank you.